Tired of your trailer swaying and feeling unstable on the road? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Andersen No-Sway Hitch. First up is the Andersen Hitches No-Sway Weight Distribution Hitch. Priced at $963.05, this hitch caught my attention with its unparalleled sway control and ease of use. If you want a hassle-free towing experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This hitch self-adjusts to provide sway control, which means no more worrying about your trailer fishtailing on the highway. The two 5/16 ball and universal frame brackets make it incredibly versatile, fitting a variety of setups without the need for extra purchases. Plus, it operates on a grease-free system, so you can say goodbye to messy maintenance and enjoy a smooth ride instead. Despite being a newer product with no reviews yet, it's set to become a favorite with features like these. Now, some people complained about the initial cost being high. Here's the thing though, while it might feel steep up front, the investment in safety and peace of mind while towing makes it well worth it. You'll save on potential repairs from sway-related accidents. This is perfect for you if you prioritize stability and convenience in your towing setup. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for the cheapest option, as the price is definitely on the higher end but offers great value. Now, if the high price tag bothered you, Andersen's next option takes a different approach with more budget-friendly features. Product number 2, Andersen 3303 Hitch. Next, let's look at the Andersen Hitches 3303 Weight Distribution Hitch, also priced at $963.05. It shares many features with the no-sway model but adds a smooth ride experience and improved control. If you're looking for a reliable hitch that levels the load efficiently, this one is worth checking out. It's designed for heavy-duty use with a pull force of 3,500 pounds, ensuring that even larger trailers are manageable. Plus, this hitch includes a sway control bar, which means your ride will be smoother and more secure. With no reviews yet, it's a newer option that seems to be gaining traction among avid travelers. Some users noted that the installation can be tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, once it's set up correctly, it performs exceptionally well, making it a worthwhile investment for frequent travelers who value stability. This is perfect for you if you are an enthusiastic traveler or need a robust solution for towing heavier loads. Skip this option if you're a first-time user who might struggle with installation since it may require some mechanical know-how. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking affordability while still maintaining quality. Product number 3, Ramosai Heavy Duty Brackets. Now we have the Ramosai Heavy Duty Replacement Hitch Brackets priced at just $68.04. What caught my attention was their compatibility with various weight distribution systems, making them a versatile choice. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to enhance your towing stability, this is definitely worth considering. These brackets ensure a rock-solid connection, which is critical for a smooth and stable towing experience. They're crafted from rugged alloy materials and come with a rust-resistant coating, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear over time. Plus, their easy installation means you can get back on the road quickly, which is a huge plus for busy lifestyles. With no reviews yet, they're a fresh option that could fit many trailer setups. Now, some customers mention that the brackets can feel a bit flimsy under heavy loads. Here's my take. While they might not be the best for extreme towing scenarios, for regular use they hold up well and offer great peace of mind without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need budget-friendly support and a quick fix for your weight distribution needs. Skip this if you often tow heavy trailers, as they may not withstand the stress over time. Alright, if those brackets felt a bit basic, the next product offers more robust features that might just fit the bill better. Product number 4, Kurt Round Bar Hitch. Next up is the Kurt 17063 Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch, which offers a comprehensive solution for $. This hitch stands out with its integrated lubrication system and robust construction. If you want something designed for heavy-duty use, this hitch is a solid contender. This product can handle up to 14,000 pounds, gross trailer weight and 1,400 pounds. The continuous lubrication feature is a game changer. It ensures smooth, quiet towing without the hassle of constant maintenance. Plus, the corrosion-resistant finish means it will last through all weather conditions, which is essential for long-term use. It's a favorite among serious tower enthusiasts, with 100+ units sold in the past month alone. One drawback is its weight. At 100 pounds, it's a bit cumbersome to handle. But here's the thing, once it's set up, the reliability and performance really shine, making that extra effort to install it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you regularly tow heavy trailers and want something that can stand the test of time. Skip this if you're looking for a lightweight or easy-to-handle option, as this hitch requires some muscle to manage. Now, if heavy-duty isn't your priority, this next product might be just the right fit for those seeking a balance of weight and performance. Product number 5, Reese Pro Round Bar Hitch. Finally, let's take a look at the Reese 49912 Pro Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch, another heavy-duty option that's also rated for up to 8,000 pounds. Capacity. The reliability of this hitch is what drew me in. If you want a hitch that balances quality and affordability, this one should be on your radar. This hitch includes everything you need for installation, making it convenient for those who may not want to spend extra time setting up. It features tapered spring bars to distribute weight evenly, which means better ride comfort and control, especially on longer trips. Its durable construction ensures it will last, while the no-drill clamp-on brackets make for an easy fit on most trailer frames. Some users have mentioned difficulty with the clamp-on installation on certain frames. But honestly, if you follow the guidelines and take your time, it should install without too much fuss, making it an excellent option for most users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-install hitch that provides solid performance. Skip this if you have a unique trailer frame that might require custom solutions, as the fit may not be universal. And now that we've covered all 5 products, let's break down what stood out and what to avoid. We've looked at a variety of weight distribution hitches today. The Andersen no-sway hitch is fantastic for those who want top-notch stability, while the Andersen 3303 offers a smooth ride experience. The Ramosai brackets provide an affordable option for lighter use, and the Kurt round bar hitch is perfect for heavy-duty towing. Finally, the Reese Pro round bar hitch strikes a great balance between quality and ease of installation. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kurt round bar hitch because it combines strength, durability, and user-friendliness, making it ideal for serious tower enthusiasts. Avoid the Ramosai brackets if you often tow heavier loads, as they may not hold up under stress. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.